on my way over to Performance Propeller in Nashville, and I just met Jorge at the boat ramp and ran his boat, and he had a trim switch that was not working up front by the console, so that made things weird as far as driving it. Meaning you could trim it all the way down to start, could trim it all the way up to run it, or run it up where you can get the speed out of the prop and all that stuff. So the same kind of issue where I'm getting ready to go to. So I think my prop on my Champion, I'm gonna have a look at that prop. So anyway, I suspect it may be out of balance or need to be worked, but really I think I want to get his opinion on if I need to go to like a 4-blade, because I want to get a little better hole shot, and I'm not so worried about the top end, and that boat will still go fast. So watch some stuff, and definitely guys got better hole shot, especially the lakes I'm fishing. And then, they did lose a little bit on their top end, 1 or 2 mile an hour. So I'm hoping that he can point me in a good direction. But also on Jorge's boat, I need to adjust the throttle cable, fix this little trim deal, and then he needs to probably replace that. Sorry, I'm driving over here on Hermitage Avenue in Nashville. But anyway, he needs to do that, and then what else was it? Oh, I want to check his prop. I want to pull it off and see if it's tightened down, because it seemed like it would lose a little, but it was very, very subtle. So I think maybe his prop, he'd probably have a better prop on it. Anyway, just thought I would I guess shoot that, talk about that. So sorry if it's not a very good shot. Anyway, yeah, lots going on. This guy's gonna buy my 40 horsepower that I got for sale, and he's supposed to drop his boat tonight, so I can hang that motor. And got that other guy's little boat that I hung a motor on, that I was waiting on the shift and throttle cable, and so he brought me a shift cable, and he's got the throttle cable. I mean, they're the same, but I only had one of them, so I needed the other one. And he's dropping that tonight. And then on a 20 horsepower, I got a impeller coming. The water pump kit everything was all in, like, it was all separated. Oh man, this guy's gonna slam up on my rear end. I gotta go over railroad tracks. Yeah, I'm pulling a boat, dude. And then I got a 25 horsepower that I hung a motor, and then I figured out that he needed a water pump, so I got that ordered. And then he was trying to decide if he wanted to sell it or not, so now he wants to sell it because he doesn't need an extra motor. And that's a 25 horsepower tiller. It's a 76. Somebody even went and painted and camouflaged it, but it's a good little motor. And I've ordered that water pump, so that should be in, and then I can just slap it on there, and if he sells it, he sells it. If not, he's gonna pay me to put that water pump on. So, and then we got? Oh, I got a 35 horsepower. I need to pull all the, need some new head gaskets and water jacket gaskets. And so I have to pull that apart here soon. As soon as I get a open stand, I can lift it up, put it on a stand, and get that going. What else? I got another 35 horsepower that really needs to be gone through and sold. And that's an older one. It's a 350. Anyway, I'm here, so I'm gonna let you guys go. This is just right up here. So I don't know how they got a big lot, but I'm just gonna go slow. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later.